68 sum. The aperture of largest telescope in the world is of order 5 meter. Aperture matlab uska lens ka size. Diameter of that lens is 5 meter. If the separation between moon and earth and moon, separation between them is 4 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer. So I'm writing x is 4 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer, which is 4 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Wavelength of visible light is in the order of 5000 angstrom is used. Then minimum separation between two objects on the surface of moon. Between two objects on the surface of moon. What is minimum separation? Suppose it is y, so that the images are resolved. So if you see from here, it will have some angular separation, those two objects. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
What definition we wrote in the morning? Minimum angular separation or linear distance so that objects can be just resolved. This is called limit of resolution. So I'm just giving you formula. For telescope, limit of resolution, comma, theta, that means angular separation, is this is formula. Derivation you don't have in the syllabus. 1.22 into lambda upon d. Theta is same as tan theta for smaller angle. Hello? Theta can be taken as tan theta for smaller angle. What is tan theta? Is it opposite side y upon this x or not? So I can say y by x is 1.22 lambda upon d. This formula is important. Proof is not there of this. So therefore, y will become 1.22 lambda 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 into x 4 into 10 raised to 8 upon d is 5. 5 cancel. So we get y as 4 into 2 8 4 into 2 8 4.88 into 10 raised to 1. That means 48.8 meter. So can I say nearly 50 meter? Followed? Option
Yes.
C. C option.
For telescope and
for microscope, it is linear distance.
okay.
For telescope, angular separation. Formula is slightly different. So today theory I am not doing because morning also you have done theory. So ये formula लिख के direct solve करता हूँ, next में theory कर दूँगा. Once you are done, then tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay. 67. I'm just writing formula for microscope limit of resolution comma d is equals to 1.22 lambda upon 2 mu sine alpha. Mu is refractive index, alpha is semi-vertical angle. Made at lens. Mu sine theta is called as numerical aperture. This is for non-luminous body, where light is incident and on that body, non-luminous. And resolution power is reciprocal of limit of resolution, that is 2 mu sine alpha upon 1.22 lambda. And for telescope, limit of resolution, just write down this, comma theta equals to 1.22 lambda upon d. And resolution power is 1 upon theta d upon 1.22 lambda. Right. Write down, then I'm doing the sum. All are directly this formula based. Shall I clear this?
Done.
Okay. Now look at sum number 67. An oil immersion objective microscope, oil of refractive index 1.5 is used. If the wavelength of illuminating light is 4750 angstrom, that means 4.750 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, minus 7 meter. And resolving power of microscope is 3.4 into 10 raised to 6 per meter. Then find the semi-vertical angle. Resolution power is, see, always remember, resolution power is inversely proportional to wavelength. Then you will never make mistake. That means if you increase wavelength, resolution power will increase. So 2 into 1.5 sine alpha we want, 1.22 lambda 4.750 into 10 raised to minus 7. Resolution power 3.4 into 10 raised to 6. So this will become sine alpha equals to 3.4 into 1.22 into 4.75 into 10 raised to minus 1. 2 into 1.5 is 3. So I can cancel this. 7, 4, 12, 4, 16. No. 3 into roughly 1.1. So sine alpha will be 11 into 2, 22, 11 into 2, 22, and 2, 23, carry 2, 11 into 1, 11 and 2, 23. After 3-digit decimal into 4.750 into 10 raised to minus 1. So sine alpha equals to 2.332 into 4.75. You can make this as 2.3 or this as 2.4 approximately, and that as 4.7. नजदीक में आ जाएगा. Into 10 raised to minus 1. What is 24 into 7? Roughly, can you tell?
168.
168. Carry 16. 24 into 4 is 96.
Yes.
Plus 16 will become 102. After 1, 2, digit decimal. 1.2 into 1.
So that is 112.
Hold on. Which one? 112. Which one you are saying? This one, 112.
Yes.
2.4 into 4, 112. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 11. So ये 0.1 आएगा. What is value given? 3.4 into 10 raised to 6. Perfect. Resolution power 1.22 into 4.750 angstrom. That became into 10 raised to minus 7. So 4.7 into 2. That will become 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. 1.1 से तो ज़्यादा नहीं आ सकता ना ये. तो राउंडिंग में कुछ तो मिस्टेक हो गया. रुको.
Sir, I got 0.95.
0.9 you are getting.
Something.
1 minute. Again, I'm putting the values. Oil immersion 0.9 you are saying. 1.5. Find the semi-vertical angle. Hmm. 0.9 means it is close to 0.9 नहीं आएगा इतना चेक करता हूँ. 4.7, 3.4, 3.4 into 1.2 to 4.7 into this 2 point this much. Roughly कैसे से जरा multiply कर लेता. 1.1. 1.1 no 3.4 into 1.22 into 4.75 divided by 3. 0.65 will get when you do properly. Sin alpha, when you multiply properly with very close values, it is coming 0.6567. So clearly it will be greater than 50 or not, 30 degree or not, tell me. Greater than 30 degree it will come.
Yes.
Greater than 30 option is there. Yes, 3 options are there. But it can't become 45, 41. 0.5 thoda hi zyada hai. So it will be option C actually. In exam, they will give you value of this. Don't take tension. Formula remember. (66) in an oil immersion objective microscope whose refractive index is 1.412, this is close to √2, is used The wavelength of illuminating light is 4850 angstrom unit. Semi-vertical, yes.
I searched in the Calci, it was showing sine 41 degrees, 6.65.
So that means D option then you can write.
Yeah.
Write D option then. But in exam they will give the value. Calculators are not allowed.
Yes, sir. Like I just checked.
Yes, yes, no problem, no problem. So find the resolution power. Resolution power is 2 mu sine alpha upon 1.22 lambda. So 2 into root 2 into sine 45 upon 1.22, 4.850, 10 raised to minus 7. So 2 root 2 sine 45 is 1 root 2, 1.22, 4.850, 10 raised to minus 7. This gets cancelled. 2 into 0.61. So 10 raised to plus 7 upon 0.6 approximately into 4.850. So I can write this as 10 into 10 raised to 6 upon 6 into 530. 6 8s are 48 and 351. Carry 5, 24 and 6 4s are 24 and 5. 24 and 5, 29. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 decimal. So this is close to 2.9 means 3 into 3. So close to 3 into 10 raised to 6. Check. Close to 3 into 10 raised to 6. Yes, option B. Let's answer. Shall I clear?
Done.
65. The distance between images of two stars which are just resolved by lens of focal length 200. Focal length means it is distance given between the source and that object. It's 200 centimeter. And diameter of that lens is 10 centimeter. The distance between two images of two stars is how much? Suppose it is y. So this angle is theta. Light of observation, mean light of wavelength used is 5000 angstrom unit. So now I can say theta is 1.20. You can't see the star by microscope, so without saying it is telescope upon d. So y upon x is 1.22 lambda upon d. Why we want x is 2 meter. 1.22 lambda 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. Capital D is 10 raised to minus 1. So it is 1.22 10 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 10 raised to minus 1. So 12.2 into 10 raised to minus 6 in meter. Make 12.2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Yes, that is same as 1.22 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Option C. Right. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Those who are trying for medicine, I'm requesting them first, when all the three paper given together, don't start with bio. Any student, those who started with bio this time could not complete physics. And this is 90 MCQ, 45 MCQ, 45. If you start reverse, so imagine 135 करने के बाद आपका दिमाग fresh रहेगा क्या to understand difficult question. So please begin with physics, then go to chem, then at the end bio, because bio is theoretical. Even if you are not fresh, if you know, you can mark. Physics में read करके समझना पड़ता है. So many students, they said we started with bio, so we were left out with only 45 minutes to complete physics. कोई माइका लाल physics 45 में नहीं कर सकता है. You have to complete this in 1 hour and remaining cut short time in other two. So this is my advice. Then it is your wish what you are doing. But I feel if you don't follow the advice, then you will be caught at the next in the exam. So please follow this advice, which is not forced. It is only by practice, by feedback obtained from the student given to you by teacher. Any teacher suggests starts with bio, I think, or chemistry, they are not knowing proper method. In single day, I have never solved one. Have you solved 180 sum in single day? I have never solved in my life. Max to max, I have solved 50. How many of you have solved 180 sum at a stretch one day में?
No, sir.
No. इसका मतलब एग्जाम में आप सैचुरेट होने ही वाले हैं ना. कॉमन सेंस है ये. तो मैं पहला कौन सा स्टार्ट करूं? उधर ऐसा नहीं है कि जो अच्छा है पहला वो कंप्लीट कर लो बाद में देखो. उधर तो सब करना है ना अपने को. See, given the choice, you have to select only whatever you wish. Then I would have gone by bio. But there is no choice. So when I am fresh with my mind, I will start with difficult set of questions. Complete that in 1 hour 10 minutes. मतलब थोड़ा टाइम मैंने ले लिया केमिस्ट्री बायो का. 45 मिनट एग्जैक्टली मैं केमिस्ट्री करूंगा और कट शॉर्ट कर दूंगा टाइम बायो. This is actual method. Anybody changing the sequence? Again, I am telling, howsoever intelligent you are, you can't complete physics with full heartedly and correctly in that less time because of mental pressure. तो जाते ही पहला फिजिक्स स्टार्ट करना, ये मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Now I cannot come personally in the exam, catch hold of your hand and guide you. This I am telling right from day one, and every 10 days के बाद I will remind. Still, if you are not able to take that mantra in your mind, then best of luck to you all. It is up to you how you are doing. Because every year I say the student the same thing, but they do their own work. Again, I'm requesting those who are doing engineering, first they will attempt maths paper, then physics, then chemistry. Bio वाले को पहले physics, फिर chemistry, फिर bio. If you do by that sequence, I don't foresee कि you cannot complete the paper and that too correctly. But last में attempt करेंगे ना, घाई घाई में physics देख के tension आ जाएगा. How I can complete 45 minutes? तो tension में 10-15 wrong हो. It is not only intelligence, it is also picking the right sequence is important in the exam. 64. Numerical aperture of oil immersion type microscope. Numerical aperture means mu, sin, alpha together is called numerical aperture. Is 1.25. With transparent liquid between objective and object. Wavelength of for observation is 4000 angstrom. The resolving power of microscope we want. Resolving power of microscope is 2 mu sin alpha upon 1.22 lambda. ये मैं भूल जाता हूँ, ऊपर लिखूं क्या नीचे, तो जैसे मैं भूलता हूँ मैं क्लिक कर लेता हूँ. Inversely proportional. Resolution power is inversely proportional to wavelength. So it is 2 into 1.25 upon 1.224 into 10 raised to minus 7. This is approximately same. So you will get 0.5 into 10 raised to 7. That will become 5 into 10 raised to 6. 5 into 10 raised to 6. I can see in option A. That is closest. You heard that paper was leaked and Jaipur
Yes.
पेपर गॉट लेट था, उसके वजह से दूसरा सेट पेपर टफ दे दिया वो लोग. नहीं तो पेपर इस साल भी इजी था. चलो डन. 64. Done. 64.
Yes.
63. Theoretically, when two object images are to be resolved in case of microscope, then minimum distance between the object is, minimum distance is called limit of resolution, 1.22 lambda upon 2 mu sin alpha, they have taken sin beta. For air, mu is 1. So 1.22 lambda upon 2 sin beta. For air, you can take mu as 1. 1.22 lambda upon sin beta is equals to 2 sin beta is an option. 62. For images to be just resolved, today morning only we did, central maximum of one image should fall on first minima of the other. Then they are said to be just resolved. Option A. 61. Limit of resolution, that means theta, of a telescope, formula is 1.22 lambda upon b, is how much if diameter is 100 centimeter, that is 1 meter, for light of wavelength 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 7. This I can take approximately 1.2 into 5.5 into 10 raised to minus 7. This unit is in radian. So 12 into 560, 12 into 560, 66 into 10 raised to minus 7. multiply with 180 upon pi, you will get in degree. So pi into is 3.14. 3.14, I'm taking approximately 3 into 60. So 6 into 6, 36, 6, 6 are 36 into 3, 39, 396, 60 into 6. 60 into 6 is 396 into 10 raised to minus 7 in degree. I'm multiplying with 3600 degree to minute. So degree to minute we multiply by 60. This becomes minute. And we multiply with one more 60 to convert into second. Here I'm writing 1 degree is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So final answer becomes 0.396. You can take approximately 400 into 36 into 10 raised to minus 5. That means you can say take 4 into 36 into 10 raised to minus 3. 4 into 6, 24. 4 into 3, 12. So 144. This is theta equal to 144 into 10 raised to minus 3 seconds. So 0.144 seconds. Not difficult in multiplication, but difficult in conversion factor. If somebody is not knowing, they will give wrong result. So first I converted radian to degree, then to minute, then to second. Can I clear?
Yes.
Sum number 68. A window fitted with wire mesh and distance 200, at distance 200 is viewed. At distance 200 there is window fitted with wire mesh. Matlab jali is viewed with the help of telescope. Spacing between wire of the mesh is 2 millimeter. The wavelength of light used is wavelength of light used is 5000 angstrom unit. Minimum diameter of the telescope given. Same concept for telescope. Theta is 1.22 lambda by d. This is opposite side y. upon x equals to 1.22 lambda upon d. Y is 2 millimeter. So 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. X is 200 meter equals to 1.22 lambda 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 diameter we want. So D equals to 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10 is 11, 6.10 into 10 raised to minus 5 upon 10 raised to minus 3. So it is 6.10, 10 raised to minus 2 in meter, or we can say 6.10 centimeter. 6.10 centimeter, option A. It's done now. Yes, can I clear?
Done.
Okay. 59. The resolution limit of eyes is 1 minute. Resolution limit is theta for I is 1 minute. 1 minute is 1 by 60 degree. That is 1 by 60 into pi upon 180 radian. Very important conversion. At a distance of x kilometer from the eye, two persons stand with lateral means straight line, distance of 3 meter. For them to be resolved by naked eye, what should be that x? So I is acting like now telescope. So theta is y upon x, that is pi upon 60 into 180 radian equal to y 3 meter upon x. Now this will come in meter because I have not converted. So y is in meter, this will be also coming in meter. Answer we want in kilometer. So therefore x is 60 into 180 into 3 upon pi in meter. That is same as 3 into 6, 18 into 18 into 100 upon pi. Pi you can take roughly 3. It's 18 into 3 cancel, 6 into 3, 180 into 180. So x equals to 18, 6 3s are 18, 0, 0. Pi is 6, 3 into 6. So 8 6 are 48, 8 and 4, 10, 0, 0 in meter. That is nothing but 10.8 kilometer. 10.8 kilometer, which is A, I can write 10 kilometer because they have given nearly how much. Yeah, done. 58, 59, 58 theoretical one. If there is circular opening in an opaque sheet, suppose this is one sheet and there is opening here, then on the screen we get what? One second, this is the screen opening. So when light will go from here, opening will not be a shadow. इधर तो light आएगा. उसके बाजू बाजू में there will be shadow ना.
Yes, sir.
The shadow will get illuminated by this in the form of concentric rings. So there will be circular pattern is observed. One circular spot, yes, but circular pattern surrounding this will be observed. Option D. 57. A slit width A is placed in front of lens is focal length. That means distance of a screen is 0.5 meter. It is illuminated by light of wavelength 5.89 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. The first diffraction minima on either side of central diffraction. First minima on either side of central diffraction. First minima on either side. Are separated by 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. The width A is how much? Distance between first minima on either side is width of central maxima. This you should remember carefully. So beta is 2 lambda d by. This is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 is 2. 5.89 into 10 raised to minus 7
By A.
is, pardon, notation you can write anything. A is
Okay.
A. So 2 gets cancelled. A equals to 5.89 into 0.5 10 raised to minus 7 upon 10 raised to minus 3. So this will become 5 into 9, 45 carry 4, 44 carry 4, 29 after 3-digit decimal into 10 raised to minus 4. Let us check the answer. Same answer is given, A option. This is very important statement. Fifty-sixth. On increasing slit width of central maxima. Central maxima is twice lambda d by A. So when A is increased, then central maxima will this is increased, so this will decrease because it is inversely proportional to A. So on increasing this, central width will decrease. Option C. Completed fully?
Yes, sir.
Twenty 55. If the first dark line is to be formed at 1 degree, first is formed at 1 degree with light of this much, then width is how much? For first dark line, a sine theta is 1 lambda, if you recollect. So a into sine of 1 degree is 1 lambda. A into 0.0175 is lambda 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. 5 into 10 raised to minus 7. 1, 2, 3. 175 into 10 raised to minus 4. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. So 1 upon 35 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. You can write 100 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon 35. This I can write as 10 raised to minus 3, 10 raised to minus 5. 2 zeros badaya, that many meter. So this is close to 35 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 5 meter, which is 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 in centimeter. So 0.028 is close to this only, 0.3. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Sir.
0.003 is close to this, huh?
Yes.
Answer is then is that 0.008 millimeter. Centimeter का ना ये 0.28 millimeter में भी option है. So into 10 raised to minus 1 millimeter. 10 raised to minus 2 in millimeter. This is centimeter into 10 raised to minus 2 in millimeter. 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 millimeter. 1 second. Centimeter to millimeter. For A equals to 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 millimeter, which is 0.03. Now check which is closest. C answer. So one last sum I'm doing 54. Fourth. 55 completed calculation.
Done, sir.
The main difference in interference and diffraction. इंटरफेरेंस ही मेन डिफरेंस 2 रे से बनता है, डायफ्रैक्शन एक ही से बनता है.
Yes.
So diffraction is due to interference of wave derived from same source, whereas interference is bending. No. Diffraction is by reflected wave from the source, whereas interference caused by reflection. First one, diffraction is due to interaction of light from different part of same wavefront, and interference is interaction of wave from two isolated. Diffraction is due to interaction of light from different part, and interference is due to an interaction of light wave derived from same source. Two derived from same source, that means coherent. So B is the answer.
Yes.
Yes, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. That is tomorrow evening again.